Greetings to everybody. Let's thank to the blockchain technology because by the blockchain technology a new era of progress is here. You can call it a decentralized revolution. Many uprising projects are creating a new reality in which you don't need to depend on central authority controlling and having insights into your lives. One of the most important projects and leaders of the decentralized revolution is taking everyone location data from the hands of central authorities and making everyone independent. The name of this project is Ether. So, what is Ether? Ether is a BEP20 token under Binance Smart Chain. It uses proof of stake smart contract using mathematical formula. In proof of stake, based on the amount of currency staked, critics of proof of work point to the massive resource requirement of mining as its major issue, as an increasing hash rate in a proof of work network implies an increasing amount of power consumption. On the other hand, critics of proof of stake suggest it inherently encourages centralization, pollution, and rewarding only those who own the most of the currency. From a neutral perspective, it seems that each of these algorithms have different use cases, rather than necessarily being in competition. Ether development funds are limited to 100k ATR tokens. These funds will be used to further develop ATR and create a real ecosystem behind the token. The developers were modest and decided to take themselves only a small part of the total token. Note that the number of all token is limited to just under 8 million coins. This amount is less than twice that of all bitcoins. Consequently, the price of a given moment on the stock exchange over time may cost a significant price. To support the initial development of Ether, they are launching a 2-week private sale for those who uses interest in supporting the project. Ether are launching a private sale in order to support the initial development of the project. They have set aside 200k ATR from the initial supply for the private sale. Everyone can join and buy Ether during the 2-week sale with starting price of 0.25 ATR dollar with minimum buy of $50. 50% of private sale proceeds will go to liquidity pool on PancakeSwap after the first airdrop, while the remaining 50% will be used for initial project development. So, a question can come to your mind that what is the benefits of the private sale? Well, there are many benefits of being a private sale investor. First, all investors will receive extra 1 stake for the duration of the airdrop. Second, all investors will auto-qualify for 10 rounds of airdrop regardless of the rules. Third, all investors will have invest badge on their official Discord channel. And last but not the least benefit is all investors will have access to investors-only community chat in their official Discord channel. If you have more questions, kindly visit their website. You can also join their Telegram channel. It is their official Telegram channel. If you are interested, please join this channel. Thank you everyone for staying with me still to the end of the video.